Hi everyone, this is All Outdoor One here. Just having a little gear review today. This is a budget piece of bushcrafting camping gear. Really nice. If you've got an Aldi's supermarket near you, then I'd definitely suggest you go and pick one of these up. It's a knife, fork, spoon set. All folds down fairly compactly, all made out of stainless steel. Comes with a carry pouch. All tucks away neatly into the carry pouch like so. It does have a belt loop. As to the item itself, as I said, stainless steel construction, and actually pretty sturdy for the price. I mean, these are only $1.99 from Aldi's, and you get a lot for your money actually. The way this works is as follows. You simply slide this bit out here, the fork, and then do the same with the spoon, and this allows you to slide the two pieces apart. They just pull apart basically, so allows you to have a fork and a spoon separately, or alternatively knife and fork. The spoon and the fork on the same piece. Also on this side there's an awl, not very sharp, it will require some work, but it's all very solidly built actually, surprisingly, and all stainless, so easy to clean and keep it hygienic essentially. And on the other side there's obviously the fork. You have a bottle opener, classic one, and also, which I thought was a nice touch, is a little sugar spoon, or for stirring a tea, so you don't contaminate it with savoury flavours. Also on this side is a bottle opener, can opener. So that's all. It's all nicely constructed, well built. For £2, can't complain. It's not the lightest bit of kit, but it's fit for purpose definitely, and I have a feeling that this will last quite a long time. So to lock it back, simply push the two pieces together and then lock up all the instruments, and then it locks into one solid piece. So yeah, that's the Aldi's camping cutlery set, available at your local Aldi's now, and a bargain in my opinion. Take care.
All Outdoor One.